So surprisingly, this is not all my clothing. There are still so many more things in my closet. I literally just can't even fit everything on the floor right now, so we're gonna work up to that. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying on every single clothing item I have and just slightly expose my little shopping problem, but should be pretty fun. This is gonna take so long. It's about 10:30 right now. I'm guessing this is gonna take a solid 4 hours, might be more, we'll see. Clearly I'm also running out of ideas, but I thought this could be pretty entertaining, so let's not waste any more time and I'm gonna go start trying things on. So for sweatshirts, I don't really have a lot of like cute sweatshirts. They're mostly just for comfort and stuff. I wear them to bed a lot when I'm cold. I'm frequently cold, so these get a lot of use. During the winter time, I pretty much live in sweaters and I have a lot of them. I try to find ones that have cool colors and patterns and overall will just kind of hide the winter flubber. Except for this one. This one I don't know how to make look cute and I spent way too much money on it, so I'm keeping it. I also pretty much always go for more of an oversized look with my sweaters, and this is probably the only fitted one I have. Not gonna lie guys, t-shirts are kind of taking over my closet right now. I have like 10 graphic white t-shirts, maybe some that are a little bit too similar, but for the most part I'd say they all have their own uniqueness, especially this one. I don't really know what's going on with this one. But overall, I just love pairing these with like a pair of denim shorts just for like a casual summer look. And I normally either tuck them into something or tie it in a little knot in front just so it's not so like big and boxy looking. Another big part of my wardrobe is tank tops. I wear them with pretty much everything. A lot of them are also cropped because I wear a lot of high-waisted pants. I just find they're easy to like wear under a lot of things and without being too bulky. So I have a lot of like basic t-shirt style cropped ones and also a couple of nicer tank tops that are more actual shirts. Except for this one here, I'd say a lot of people probably wouldn't consider this a shirt. I've also gotten really into bodysuits lately, so I have a few of those. And even though I think tube tops make my boobs look weird, I do have a couple of those as well. I had a huge off-the-shoulder top phase in 2016, so I picked up a lot of those in that time that I've kept, including these two from Urban Outfitters, which I also feel like everyone else bought in 2016. So for my short sleeve shirts, I kind of have them separated into two sections. So I have my cute, trendy, going out Instagram tops, and then I have my more full coverage, not crop tops that I wear if I have like, you know, a nicer family function. I also have a couple of long sleeve tops, even though I don't really wear those too often. A couple of actual shirts and then some more t-shirt style long sleeve shirts. And of course my mom cardigan. Even though this probably is what I'm like taking pictures in and filming in, I'm pretty much wearing leggings most of the time I'm off camera. I have a lot of leggings, specifically black leggings. I'm not going to show them all, this is just the one I wear the most. I think I might have like literally 10 pairs of black leggings. It's not great. For shorts, I of course just have my basic athletic shorts that I work out in, sometimes sleep in. But for the rest of my shorts, I tend to stick with a high-waisted style. I just think it's the most flattering for my body type just because I'm kind of short. So it'll elongate my legs, make me look a little bit taller. As for denim shorts, I'm actually super picky about the fit of those. I found that I really like A-brand jeans, so this is where these are from. They're like a more distressed kind of looser style, and then I have these mom jean style shorts from A-brand as well. I also have this pair of mom jean style shorts from American Apparel, these white PacSun ones that I thrifted, my what I like to call sailor shorts, these black mom jean style ones, and then this slightly more cheeky black pair I thrifted. I really do have a lot of skirts, and you may notice a bit of a theme here. I like mini skirts a lot just because, like the shorts, they make my legs look longer because of the high-waisted part of them and the fact that they are, of course, short. I also have a lot of skirts as well, mostly because those tend to be a little bit shorter without, you know, getting too dangerously short because there are shorts underneath. For pants, I've actually been super into like the more flowy style pants lately, so I have a couple of those. My favorite being these polka dot ones from ASOS. And for jeans, I love the mom style jeans. These floral ones from Boohoo were actually probably my best fitting pair of jeans, and they were under $20. I also have this pair that I thrifted. They're a little bit weird fitting on the bottom, so I might get them tailored or something. As for skinny jeans, I have 3 pairs of high-waisted ones. They're honestly my go-to. I have this medium light wash one, a black pair, and then also a white pair. These are all the Jamie jeans from Topshop. They're honestly my favorite. Topshop also has petite size jeans, which are great because, like I've mentioned probably 5 times already, I'm short and I don't like having my jeans bunch at the bottom. I don't exactly live in a very warm environment, so jackets are kind of essential if I don't want to freeze my butt off in the winter time. So I have these 2 super fluffy teddy jackets, which I love to wear. They're actually surprisingly pretty warm and go with a lot of things. This leather jacket is also one of my go-tos for like a nicer outfit. I also have a couple of denim jackets, including this thrifted fur-lined one from Levi's. This more cropped fitted denim one, which is actually from the kids section of Old Navy. And this oversized kind of distressed light wash one from Forever 21 that has some flower embroidery on the back. I also have this yellow corduroy one, and of course my plaid blazer, which I just wear when I want to feel cool. This is what I wear when I want to seem like I have my life together, that I'm a sophisticated businesswoman. For dresses, I'm kind of all over the place. I feel like I have dresses that fit pretty much every single style. However, I do have some brands I prefer to get my dresses from, like Princess Polly, Privacy Please at Revolve, and also Urban Outfitters has some great ones too. Okay guys, so that is every single clothing item I own. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took 7 hours to film. It's 5:30 right now, started at 10:30. You know, this is the life I made for myself. It's fine, it's fine. I did not think that would take that long though, so thumbs up for me for filming for 7 hours straight. So yeah, if you guys want to see more kind of fashion related videos, obviously not this video again, but maybe something else, let me know in the comments down below. I also have an Instagram and a Twitter, so go ahead and follow me in both of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!